Hello and welcome to this video on the differences between cache, RAM, and a hard drive. Have you ever wondered what goes on inside your computer when you open a file or run a program? Well, it all starts with the computer storage and memory systems. These systems work together to store and access the data and instructions that are needed to run your programs and perform various tasks. Let's start by comparing these systems to a filing cabinet, a tray, and a desk. The filing cabinet represents a hard drive, which is where all of the long-term data and files are stored. This is like permanent storage in a computer where data is kept even when the power is turned off. The desk represents the memory or RAM in a computer, which is where the data instructions that are currently being used or processed by the CPU are stored. This is like temporary storage in a computer, where data is kept while the power is on and wiped clean when the power is turned off. The cache memory in a computer can be thought of as a small tray on the desk where the most frequently used items are kept. This is like the fast storage in a computer where the most frequently accessed data is kept for quick retrieval. So, when the CPU needs to access a piece of data or an instruction, it first checks the tray or the cache, then the desk, the RAM, and finally the filing cabinet, which is the hard drive, to find what it needs. Now that you have a better understanding of how these systems work together, let's go into a little more detail about each one. Cache memory is a small, fast memory that stores copies of the data from frequently used memory locations. It is typically located on the CPU chip itself or on a separate chip that is connected directly to the CPU. It is usually much faster than RAM memory and can be accessed in a few nanoseconds compared to the microseconds it takes to access RAM. Random access memory, or RAM, is a type of computer memory that is used to store data that is being used or processed by the CPU. It is called random access because the CPU can access any memory location in RAM directly without having to search through everything sequentially. A hard drive is a type of storage device that is used to store and retrieve digital data. It consists of spinning disks or platters coated with magnetic material and a read-write head that can access the data on the disk. Hard drives are typically slower than cache and RAM, but are much larger capacity, making them ideal for long-term storage of large amounts of data. I hope this video has helped you understand the differences between cache, RAM, and a hard drive and how they work together to store and access data in your computer. Thanks for watching.